When you hear about a nor'easter that's going to bring 4 inches of rain, you're concerned about flooding,
Yes.
right? It's spread out over like 3 days.
Okay.
So
That's a plus.
it is indeed.
Yeah.
I don't really think we're going to be dealing with widespread flooding issues. Poor drainage areas may see some pockets of flooding, but anything would be very localized. This is what's fallen already. Remember, this got started yesterday. We've already had more than an inch of rain. Plymouth down to the south coast, on the Vineyard as well. Lesser amounts, under a ½ an inch. Boston and Worcester points north, but we're not done yet because this is how much additional rain is going to fall over the course of this day and into Tuesday. This is not going to wind down until Tuesday. This is a slow moving storm. So additional 1 to 3 inches of rain. That'll put our highest totals up around 4 inches through parts of the southeast corner of the South Shore, South Coast, Cape, and the islands. So that is what we're dealing with in terms of the rain. So we do have the weather alert today for this nor'easter that just continues all day long. So the rain is going to cause ponding of the water on the roads and slow driving. Keep that in mind. The wind may lead to some isolated outages. It's going to bring more leaves down, and that could make conditions slick as well. And at the coast, we are watching for some minor coastal flooding at the next high tide cycle, which is at about 5 o'clock this afternoon. That tide a little higher than what we're experiencing this morning, and with the additional onshore wind, that beach erosion and the potential for that minor coastal flooding, that is the next threat, in addition to the wind and the rain that we are in right now. But good news here, by the upcoming weekend, it's headed the Charles weekend in Boston. We're always watching the weekends, and this coming weekend looking a whole lot nicer. So some good news there. Winds gusting to 40 miles per hour right now out of the northeast in Boston. We're gusting in the mid-40s on the Vineyard, where we have seen gusts closer to 50 miles per hour. Wellfleet, Nantucket, and the Vineyard all gusting near and over 50 miles per hour. Rockport has had a gust of 44, and even Blue Hill has gusted over 40 miles per hour. The wind advisory continues on the Cape till about 8 o'clock this evening. We've got a high wind warning up on the islands as well. This wind goes the entire day and then just slowly backs off this evening. Elements of rain go all the way north up into northern New England. So if you're up early on this holiday, you are traveling, you are going to be dealing with the rain across the northeast. It is heaviest though right now on the South Shore, Plymouth, down toward the Cape, where you see some pockets of yellow showing up. Not as heavy now around Boston, but there's a lot of water on the roads from some heavier rain overnight. And you can see how the rain breaks apart a little bit as you go out along the Route 2 corridor. Over the next 12 hours, rain will be with us, at times heavy, at times it backs off. It is just wet and windy with that northeasterly wind continuing, and temperatures stuck in the mid-50s. We may get a little closer to 60. That's it for a high temperature down toward the Cape and the islands. So we are dealing here with the rain and the wind pretty much throughout the entire day here. Now, I do believe that my clicker is a little bit stuck, so let me see what I can get for you in terms of graphics. There we go. You can see on Futurecast, wet and windy through the late morning hours. Keep that in mind if you're heading out. And then as we make our way on toward the evening hours, the intensity of the rain backing off a little bit. Notice here over the next 12 hours into tonight, the rain continues. But tomorrow, we're going to see some showers. It is going to be on the breezy side. And then as this storm continues to kind of pull away, we will see some improvements as we get into Wednesday. So Wednesday is when we get into some clearing, and we will see here on your 7-day forecast the sun returning as we get toward Wednesday, and that is going to be with us here through the end of the week. And as promised, the upcoming weekend looking pretty good. We should be back in the 60s for the upcoming weekend.